Toyota has improved every significant element of the well-liked Yaris Cross, enhancing the attributes that have enabled the small SUV to win numerous accolades in its first year of availability, including the 2022 World Urban Car title. The model's enhancement program concentrates on the key factors that influence customers' decisions to buy in the sector, making the Yaris Cross more appealing to buyers overall. In the rapidly expanding European BSUV market, where sales are leading in their class, the most competitive segment of the B-segment market, it has rapidly established itself as a formidable and fiercely aggressive rival since its launch in 2021. Additionally, the Yaris Cross is now Toyota's best-selling vehicle in Europe. Constructed at Toyota Motor Manufacturing France, the new Yaris Cross maintains the Yaris family's reputation for inventiveness and safety in packaging, drivetrains, and packaging that dates back 25 years to the debut of the original generation. All around Europe, the new model is currently on sale. With the latest Toyota Teammate safety and driver assistance systems, the new Yaris Cross offers safer and easier driving, a fully digital user experience, enhanced modern urban character, and stronger and more rewarding performance from its hybrid powertrain. With the launch of the new Aygo X and Yaris hatchback, Toyota has completed a thorough redesign of its small vehicle lineup, with each model gaining from the superiority of the GAB platform.